In Kansas, the Republican-controlled legislature went back for a one-day session to try to override Democratic Governor Laura Kelly's vetoes. Fox 4's Jonathan Katz joins us live from KCK. He's looking at the impact one of those bills could have had on the government when it comes to mask mandates. Jonathan, the veto override wasn't even considered today?
Yeah, that's what's kind of interesting, Lauren. One of these bills had to do with masks, and this also has to do with Wyandotte County. Here you can see that masks are required at the Unified Government of Wyandotte County building, but a bill in the legislature essentially would have made that illegal. However, as you said, Lauren, the legislature today didn't even consider it. The Republican-controlled legislature needed a two-thirds majority to override Democratic Governor Laura Kelly's veto. The bill would have prohibited governmental entities from requiring masks.
What you're seeing, like in New York City, earlier in the COVID crisis, I think they would have already put masks on.
Dr. Steve Stites from KU Medical Center says hospitalizations for COVID are starting to go up in some parts of the country.
Boston's gone up, other is the Northeast. As the hospitalization numbers rise and we get pinched for hospital services like we were in January, I think then we're going to see masks go back on.
At the University of Kansas Health System Monday, the hospital had only 4 active COVID cases. None of their patients were on ICUs or ventilators, and 4 of them were recovering. In Johnson County, though, the percent positivity rate is 17.7%, meaning 1 out of every 6 people who are tested for COVID in the county have it. Stites says COVID-19 fatigue is high right now, and mask mandates aren't popular. Fortunately, because so many people are vaccinated, though, he hopes the strain on hospitals is less next winter than it was this last time.
Don't be late, don't hesitate. Get your vaccination and get your booster shot, because I think we're coming into a little bit of a bumpy few months and you want to stay safe.
Because the state Senate didn't take up the measure before the House adjourned for the day, mask mandates will still be allowed if a local government here in Kansas so chooses.